goodness.
5 p.m.
It's not even over here. Wow.
Located near Muscle Beach, moving northeast at 30 knots.
That's crazy.
Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source,
Crazy.
radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Sandy Hook Reef, Atlantic Highlands, and Fairhaven. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Gosh, what the? Bro, what? Double header?
The National Weather Service in Upper New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Fairhaven, moving northeast at 40 knots.
Oh, come on, bro.
Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the forecast.